Hello everyone, welcome in Bani English Education. I'm back with a very important topic. We are gonna discuss about shoes and footwear vocabulary. One of the most important topics of IELTS speaking. So get ready for that. First of all, please have a glance at some of the important and frequently asked questions regarding shoes or footwear topics. So let's get started. Okay, so my dear students, please just go through this list of phrasal verb which is going to be extremely beneficial for you while speaking about footwears or shoes during your IELTS speaking test. And this lesson is going to be an important leap for getting your desired bands. The first phrasal verb is cost a fortune. It means very expensive. He is into purchasing branded shoes that cost a fortune. However, you can also use the same idea in a simple way. You can say he is in habit of purchasing expensive shoes. Second one, plenty of money to splash around. It means to spend a lot of money without thinking. I always go with unbranded footwears as I don't have plenty of money to splash around. Simply you can use one another line. You can say the same idea in a simple way. You can say I always purchase unbranded footwears because I don't have a lot of money to spend on it. Keep updated. Keep collection updated. Keep collection up to date. It means to purchase modern and new footwears very frequently. My friend always keeps her collection updated by purchasing different pairs of footwears. Next, light and durable. It means with less weight and long lasting. Well, if I talk about myself, I always go with light and durable shoes of Bata as they are quite comfortable, and being a teacher, I always have to remain on my toes, so I love it. Well, for these three next phrases, 5th, 6th and 7th, I'm going to use one single line. It means I'm going to use these three different phrases with a single idea, with a single sentence. So let's see how. I have chosen a particular line for these three phrases collectively. Well, as far as I'm concerned, I always prefer online shopping instead of going to any brick and mortar shop, as it's really grueling and daunting task for me. So I don't prefer purchasing through e-commerce sites. It's not comfy for me. How can you describe the same idea easily? Remember, that way is not going to be very impressive. It would sound flat and unattractive. Okay, so you can say, I personally love to purchase things from online. I don't love to go to local shop because it is very difficult and boring activity for me. Once again, I'm going to use one single idea, one single line for 8th, 9th and 10th phrasal verbs. Let's see what they are. Deep pockets, having excessive financial wealth and resources. Affluent, wealthy and prosperous. Prodigal habits, spend a lot of money carelessly without thinking. So let's see which single sentence I have chosen for it. I have written, I'm not very much accustomed to buy a lot of footwears as I don't have prodigal habits. On the other hand, my best friend Rachel is into keeping her collection updated as she is belonging to an affluent family. Or simply, you can say, I don't have habit to spend money without thinking on footwears, but my friend Rachel buys new branded shoes every now and then because she is very rich. So guys, please practice these on your own a couple of times. Keep using them while doing your practice of IELTS speaking topic mentioned above. Until then, I'm heading off. I will see you soon.